Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Polaris Pagsc20k is probably one of the most revolutionary portable power solutions on the market today, offering unparalleled reliability and cutting-edge technology designed to keep all your essential devices charged and ready, whether you're adventuring outdoors or simply navigating a busy day, ensuring you never miss a beat due to a dead battery. Number 5. Polaris Full Synthetic Oil Change Kit, 287-9323. Introducing the complete oil change solution for your Polaris Ranger, General, or RZR. This kit provides everything you need to keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. It features a powersports-grade full synthetic base oil. This ensures the highest level of performance and superior engine protection for your vehicle. A custom additive system is included to reduce engine deposits and wear. It also prevents oxidation in extreme temperatures and controls moisture to prevent rust and corrosion. This oil offers a wide 5W50 viscosity range. It provides excellent engine protection and performance from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, significantly extending your engine's life. It is specifically designed for Polaris Powersports engines. This ensures peak performance and handles the intense conditions and high demands of riders. The kit contains everything necessary for a complete oil change. You'll receive 2.5 quarts of PS for SAE 5W50 full synthetic oil, an oil filter, and a drain plug washer. What we like. This kit offers a full synthetic formula and a custom additive system for superior engine protection. It's specifically designed for Polaris Powersports engines to maintain peak performance in extreme conditions. If you own a Polaris Ranger, General, or RZR and want the best protection and performance, this is the perfect choice for your oil change. What people say. Number 4. Zodiac MX6 Suction Side In-Ground Pool Cleaner. This compact and powerful cleaner connects to your pool's dedicated suction line or skimmer. It efficiently delivers debris directly to your existing filtration system. Its cyclonic turbine creates powerful downforce, while Xprite provide exceptional grip. This allows it to effortlessly traverse your pool and climb walls for a thorough clean. Hydraulic suction drives its internal gears, enabling intelligent navigation throughout your pool. This ensures comprehensive coverage of both the floor and walls. Setting it up is simple, and its flow control can be calibrated for variable speed pumps and lower flow rates. It integrates seamlessly with your existing filtration system, requiring no extra electricity or batteries. Each package includes the cleaner itself, a generous 32-foot twist-lock hose, and all necessary connection accessories. You'll have everything for either dedicated suction line or skimmer installation. What we like. This small but mighty cleaner features cyclonic suction and Xprite for exceptional pool coverage and wall climbing. Its energy-efficient design works seamlessly with variable speed pumps, integrating with your existing filtration system. If you're looking for an efficient, thorough, and easy-to-set-up suction side cleaner for your in-ground pool, this model delivers outstanding performance. What people say. Number 3. Polaris Vac-Sweep 280 In-Ground Pool Cleaner. Introducing the Polaris Vac-Sweep 280, your ultimate solution for a sparkling pool. This powerful cleaner is designed to make pool maintenance a breeze, giving you more time to enjoy your backyard oasis. Powered by dual Venturi jets and a separate booster pump, it creates strong vacuum power. This allows it to reliably clean any in-ground pool in just 3 hours or even less. This cleaner is safe and effective for all in-ground pool shapes and surfaces. Whether you have vinyl, fiberglass, gunite, pebble, or tile, it provides a thorough clean without damage. It moves fluidly, sweeping and scrubbing both the floor and walls of your pool. Its large 2.25-inch inlet is specifically designed to pick up debris that other cleaners often miss. Equipped with a single-chamber filter bag, it efficiently captures both small and large debris. Leaves, acorns, pebbles, and more are no match for its powerful collection system. Your purchase includes the cleaner itself, a generous 31-foot feed hose, and the essential single-chamber filter bag. Everything you need to get started on a cleaner pool is right there. What we like. This pressure-side cleaner utilizes powerful dual Venturi jets to reliably clean your in-ground pool in just 3 hours. It sweeps and scrubs, capturing large debris that other cleaners might miss with its generous 2.25 inlet. If you have an in-ground pool with significant leaf or acorn debris and want fast, comprehensive cleaning, this robust system is an excellent investment. What people say. Number 2. Xprite Gen 2 UTV Side Mirrors America Flag. These mirrors boast a distinctive flag pattern, offering both enhanced durability and performance. They promise to elevate your off-road experience with their unique style. The Gen 2 design features a unique polygonal shape, providing a wider rear view. This optimization enhances both the style and safety of your adventures. Crafted from heavy-duty aluminum alloy, they offer superior corrosion and impact resistance. Their high-definition glass ensures a wide, clear view for any activity. Designed with a C-shape, they fit 1.75 to 2-inch round roll bar cages. Their innovative design allows for quick installation on UTVs, even with windshields in place. Featuring a foldable design, they can fold 180 degrees for obstacle avoidance. They also rotate horizontally and vertically, allowing effortless adjustment to any desired angle. What we like. These UTV side mirrors boast a unique flag design and an optimized polygonal shape for a wider rear view. Crafted from heavy-duty aluminum, they offer durability and feature an adjustable, foldable bracket for obstacle avoidance. If you're an off-road enthusiast looking for stylish, robust, and highly functional mirrors that fit most roll bar cages, these provide both safety and flair. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON to select from. Therefore, no points can be extracted or quoted as per the instructions. Number 1. Polaris K13 Zipper Debris Bag. Introducing the Polaris K13 All-Purpose Zipper Replacement Debris Bag. This essential component is designed to keep your pool cleaner running efficiently. It's engineered for automatic pressure pool cleaners like the Vac-Sweep 280. This bag effectively captures various types of debris, maintaining a clean pool. Equipped with a convenient zipper, emptying collected waste is quick and effortless. This feature simplifies maintenance, saving you time and effort. This bag is specifically engineered to fit Polaris 280, 280 tank tracks, and TR28P models. It ensures a secure and precise fit for optimal performance. Additionally, it is compatible with the Polaris 480 Pro Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. As a genuine part, it guarantees reliable and consistent operation. What we like. This is a genuine replacement debris bag, specifically engineered for Polaris 280 and 480 Pro Pressure Side Pool Cleaners. It's an all-purpose bag designed to capture various types of debris with a convenient zipper closure. If you own a compatible Polaris pressure cleaner and need a reliable, high-quality replacement bag to maintain optimal cleaning performance, this genuine part ensures a perfect fit and function. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to fulfill the request. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.